Sounds good.
So welcome, bro, to the second meeting or the second session in our course. Just before we start, let's make a small reminder of what we have said in the last session. Okay, in the last session, we talked about the history of Java. We know introduction to Java, what is Java is all about. And then we talk about the advantage of Java programming language. And we learned how Java program works on the machine. Okay. And then we downloaded the Java JDK and the IntelliJ IDE that are used to write Java code, okay, or Java programs on laptop or on computer. Great. Do you have any question on our last meeting?
No, I have not downloaded.
Are you sure you don't have any question?
I have not downloaded, right?
Okay, great.
I have
So
everything, right?
now we're supposed to be ready to write our first Java program. So let me share my screen with you to show you the codes that we're going to implement. Okay.
Yes,
Just please let me know once you can see my screen.
I can see it. I
You
think.
can see it. Okay, very good. So this is our first Java program. Okay, it's a very simple program that will print the word hello world, okay, on the screen. That's it. That's all. Like it's a very simple Java program will print only one sentence. Hello world. Okay?
Yeah.
Sounds easy, right? So let's do it together and let's see how we're gonna do it. For
Is
that,
this like CS, CC, or CSS almost?
no, no, not CSS. Just forget about HTML, CSS, forget about all that. This is a totally
Okay.
new programming language and we will learn how to do it together, okay?
Okay.
Before we start implementing our program in IntelliJ IDEA, I will just show you how to do it on a simple notepad editor. Okay, and this will give you more understanding about how the Java program got executed on the machine. Okay,
Yep.
so
Yes.
let's do it. Here I will create a new text document. Okay, and I will type here the same as these multiple lines there. Okay, so here I will write class, which is a keyword, and then I will call my class. For example, I will call it hello. Okay, I will open a curly bracket, and down here I will close the curly bracket. Don't worry if you don't really understand. I will just finish typing and then we will explain it line by line. Okay. So here we have a Java class called hello. Inside this Java class, we will write the main method. And don't worry if you cannot understand. So public static void main, open bracket and close it, and in between brackets we will type string with capital letter, two angle brackets, args, go outside the brackets, and then make a new curly bracket. And again we have to close it down here. And we will align it like that so it will be more readable. So here we have something called a main method or a main function. In between here, inside, we will write our statement that will execute the print or it will display the statement on our screen. So here I will type system dot out dot print in between brackets two double quotes, hello, hello world. And at the end of this statement, we will put this shape, which is called the semicolon. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we are done writing our program. To let it executed, we will just save it. Okay. We will give it a name the same as the class name. Here we have chosen the name hello. Okay. So we will name our document as hello. Okay. After that, we will give it an extension, which is .java. Okay, hello .java. And here, as you can see, there is a type of this file. We will change it from a text document to all files. Okay,
Yeah.
and click save. Yeah, if you just close this one, we don't need it anymore. And open this. Yeah, here in this folder, we saved a file called hello. And as you can see, the type here is a Java file because we selected the type as all files and we gave it an extension .java. So it was saved as a Java file. Okay. Now I want to execute this Java file. So how we're gonna do it, I will open my command line. I will copy this path where I saved my hello Java file. I will go back to the command line. I will type cd space the path and I hit enter. Now I navigated successfully to this location where I save my file. Here, see users HP desktop course. Great. I will type another command, java c space hello dot java, which is the name of my file along with the Java extension, and I will hit enter. Okay, I will hit enter, but you take a look at this at the same time. Take a look at this window. Okay, enter. Maybe it's not done. Yes. Yeah. Have you noticed what happened?
No.
You didn't notice, huh?
No.
In this window. Now we have a new created file with the type class file, and it has the name hello, the same as our original file, but has a different extension, which is .class. Do you know what does that mean?
As a class.
It means that once I hit enter here, the Java C, which refers to Java compiler, okay, began its work to read my, sorry, what is that? What happened? Where's my file? Yeah, here. To read my code, analyze my code, and search for errors, okay. It found no errors, so it shifted or transferred this Java code into bytecode. You remember about the bytecode? You remember when we have talked about the how the Java program work and how the Java got executed?
Everybody goes into
So
the machine.
now the Java compiler did its work successfully, and now we have a bytecode file which generated from our Java file, generated from our source code. But we didn't get the output. Like our final goal, we want to see the hello world statement to be displayed on the screen, and we still didn't get it right
Yes.
because we are missing another step. We will do one more step. Here, I will type the command Java, okay, space, hello, without any extension. And again, I hit enter. Yeah, hello, world. We got here our result, our expected result. So now can you link what we have done today with the explanation of how the Java program work? Or still not really? Your voice is so far, man. I cannot hear you well.
Um,
Okay. Now let me do it on purpose, and I will make a mistake here. Like, for example, I will delete this one, and I will delete this one. Okay. I will hit save. I will go back to this command line. I will repeat the same command. javac hello.java. By hitting this line, the compiler will do its job looking for errors or looking for mistakes in my code. Enter. Yeah, it's telling me error. This semicolon expected here. One more error. Reach in the file while parsing. Like we have now 2 errors. Because I
okay.
deleted, yeah, because I deleted this closing bracket, and here I deleted the semicolon. I will put them back. Save Java C hello dot Java. Okay, good, working without any errors. So I type Java space hello. Yeah, and again I get hello world. Is it okay?
It's good.
So far, so good.
Yes.
This is all extra explanation. You don't have to do it on your own. Okay, just go ahead, open the IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, and I will show you how to do the same program in IntelliJ. Because from now on, we will not use this simple editor anymore, but we will use our IntelliJ IDE. Okay, this was just for explanation purpose. So here I will close this one. I don't need it. I will also close the share. Please, you share your screen and
Okay.
open the IntelliJ IDEA, and I will show you how to create a new project and how to write your first Java program.
Okay.
While you are writing, we will explain each line. Deal?
Deal.
Okay, you can minimize this window.
This one right here, right?
No. We already downloaded this one, and you already installed it last time, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Just please minimize this window. Yes. Okay. You can type IntelliJ here in the search box. Yeah. This one you can pin it here to your desktop. You can create a shortcut for it on your desktop. Anyway, no problem. Yeah, I confirm. Continue. Send. Okay.
New project.
If you try to do the steps that I did a while ago, it's not gonna work with you. Because before you do it, you should add something called system variables. You should add your Java, your installed JDK into system variables. So for the time saving, we will not do it now. But if you are interested to do it, maybe we're gonna do it at the end of our session, okay?
Okay.
It's just for your information. If you try to do it, it's not gonna work with you because you still don't have your Java JDK added to your system variables. Now this is a welcome window for IntelliJ IDEA, which is the IDE that we're gonna use every time to write our Java projects. Okay, it's giving you two main options: new project or open an existing project or import from VCS. Just ignore the open and get from VCS. We will go for new project. So please click new project. Okay, very good. Every project should have a name. So you can type any name you want. Like, for example, you can call it a Java course, but please begin it with a capital letter. And better not to have a space between Java course, like make it Java course, yeah. And you can make the C as a capital letter. Okay, great. No. Just leave it the same as that. Okay. And hit create. It will take a while creating the project. As you see here, there is a progress bar down there. It's giving you idea about some process running in the background. Once it's all done and this progress bar will go away, we will be ready to start typing our project.
Okay. Should we wait for it?
No, it will take a while, don't worry.
Okay. Is having a good day today? You having a good day today?
Your
You
voice
having
is
a
breakable. I don't know why I can't hear you well.
are you having a good day today?
Also your internet connection today is far better than
Yeah.
last time. Last time it
Well,
was
that's good.
horrible.
Yeah, no, I live in a bad, very bad area.
You're not lucky.
I'm going to be moving to a different city, I think.
Yeah, better to you to migrate to more civilized city. It will help
We
you a
live
lot.
way, we live in a very isolated area.
It's freezing, yeah?
Yeah. Near the Arctic.
It's very hard.
Hard life, yeah.
Yeah, hard life. Now, as you can see, there is no progress bar anymore. Okay, so it means our project is ready to interact with us and we are ready to write our program. Okay, here on the left, there is a box, okay, called project. This one will help you to navigate into all your code files or all your project files. Okay, so it's like a tree, okay, where you can browse nodes and then expand and collapse some folders. that contains files. Okay, so imagine as if it's a tree. Okay, here we have Java course, which is the root folder or the root file for our project. Okay, it consists of some other folders or some other files. One is called .idea. Just ignore it because we're not gonna use it. Never ever. Okay. We have something called Java course.iml. Also ignore it. We're not gonna use it. Okay. Just focus on src folder. Please expand src. Hit the arrow next to src. Yeah, yeah, good. We have a class called main. Double click on main. Okay, great. I'm sure this one is familiar now to you, but just keep it a while. And please expand external libraries. Yeah, you can see here something called JDK19. Do you know what is that means? Do you know or you don't know?
I don't know.
It's the files that we downloaded last time, which is called Java JDK, Java Development Kit. Do you know what is Java Development Kit?
Yeah.
It's all the Java code which is pre-written for us by the Java team. Okay, it was created for us as a programmers to use it to create Java programs.
Okay.
It's a already written code, ready for use. And we as programmers, we will use it. So it's somehow included to our project. And we already downloaded last time, because without it, we can never write a Java program. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Just collapse it, because we don't need to navigate into all these files. Let's focus on the main.java. Yeah, collapse external libraries, please.
Okay.
Hit the arrow again, yes. Okay, great. Here we have class main, two curly brackets, okay, public static void main, and in bracket string of args, and again two curly brackets and system.out.println hello world. Can you please delete this couple lines and you type it on your own?
You want me to delete this?
Yeah, delete all this. Class,
What's that?
class, write the name class, yes, and give it any name you want. You can type main, main, the same as, yeah, no, make it a capital letter, yes, and two curly brackets, not ordinary brackets. Yes, exactly, hit enter, and let's explain this line, okay? Class is a keyword, okay? And as you can see, it's written with a different color. Like this one is orange, the other one, the name, it's in gray, right? It's written in orange because it's a keyword. It's a unique word, okay? This Java class contains our code. All Java code should be written inside the Java class. Like you cannot write any code in Java programming language outside of a class. Each and every line of code should be inside a class. Whatever the class is, but it should be inside the class. Now we have only one class and we called it main. Okay, you can give it any name you want, but just be careful. It begins with a capital letter and spaces are not allowed. Okay,
Yes.
so this is a class. This class should have a beginning and should have an end. So these two curly brackets indicate the beginning of a class and the end of a class. Okay, one is opening and one is closing. Opening bracket and closing bracket, curly brackets. Okay,
Yes.
so now we have an empty Java class called main. Good.
Good.
Okay. Hit enter. Let's go to a new line. Like, yeah, I want to give myself a big space. Now we start writing our method, which is main method. So we can write public.
Public. Yeah.
Yes, public. Yes. Static. Void. Yeah. Correct. Yeah. Yes. No. Yes. Remember that Java is a case-sensitive programming language. So if this word should be written in a lowercase, you cannot write it in uppercase. Okay. So now it's correct with lowercase, static, the keyword static. All these are keywords. And as you can see, it's all written in orange color because it's keywords. It's unique. All of them are unique. Okay. So, okay, public static void.
Void. Keyword.
Yeah. Again,
Void.
all lowercase. Void. Yes. Okay. Main. Main, but with lowercase now. Okay. Two ordinary brackets. Not the curly bracket. Ordinary bracket first. Two ordinary brackets. Yes. No. Just hit space. Don't go to a new line. Yeah. Yes. Exactly. No. Don't hit enter. Yes. Yes. Stop. Start typing the keyword string with a capital. No. Begins with a capital letter. This time with a capital letter. Okay. Good. Enter. Yeah. Good. Two angle brackets.
Angle brackets. Okay.
Angle brackets.
Oh.
No curly brackets.
Angle.
No.
Okay. These ones.
Angle brackets. Angle brackets. I will send it to you in chat.
Okay.
Here in the meeting chat, you can find it.
Okay.
Not here, not here. In our meeting chat.
Okay.
Maximize this window.
Maximize.
Yeah. Bro, you can see this MP. Yes, yeah. Maximize this window and you will find our chat.
Okay.
Bro, open Microsoft Teams, please.
Microsoft Teams.
Yeah, okay. Maximize this black window, the black window in Microsoft Teams. This black small window.
Okay, right here.
The black small window where our meeting is conducted. Yes. Here, general 35. Yes, this one, this window.
Okay. Oh. Oh yeah, those ones. Okay.
Yes, this one. Exactly this one. Just copy and paste.
Okay.
Now you know what angle bracket is. So every time I tell you use angle brackets, you should use this symbol, okay? Right after the string keyword.
I'm just trying to find it on the keyboard. It's hard to find. Okay.
Can you find this symbol on your keyboard?
Yeah, I was trying to find it.
Or you cannot find? You should find. Because you cannot use a copy and paste every time.
Yeah.
So please find the angle. Yes, this one, but put it inside the ordinary bracket, right after the G letter. Yes. Okay, good. Space. Space, not a new line. أيوة. Okay, good. Space. Not inside the angle brackets, not inside the angle brackets, but outside, yes. Here, type args, A-R-G-S, A-R-G-S. A letter is missing, yes. Okay, great. Now you can go outside these brackets and create a curly bracket. Curly bracket. Curly bracket, bro. Curly bracket, the same as opening bracket and closing bracket for the class. The same as the bracket on line number 1 and line number 6. Yes, good. Now you can go to a new line. And here we are inside something called function or method. Okay, Java method or Java function. It's called main, the same as our Java class, but this is not a mandatory. Like you can give your class any name you want, but this main method should be unique. Main method, main, should be unique. Wait. This is the entry point to our Java program. Like every Java program, okay, contains this main method and should be written the same way as that. Public static void main, okay, two brackets, string of args, okay, and then the ordinary opening bracket and closing bracket of the method. Don't worry about the public static void. Like we will discuss all this later. I just want you to understand that this one called a method or a function, okay? Its name is main, okay? This main method should be contained in every Java program, okay? You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so can you repeat this? Tell me what is main method?
Main method.
Okay, I will tell you one more time.
Okay.
The main method, okay, it's the entry point to our Java program. Every Java program should contain a main method, okay? These two lines, three, four, okay? This called Java function or Java method, okay? Its name,
Yes.
it has a name. This name is main. This method called main, okay, is the entry point of our Java program and should be contained in every Java program.
Okay.
Because all what we're gonna write here inside this main method is a code that will be executed. When we run our program, all the code here in between these two curly brackets, the opening of main method and the closing of main method, okay, this code will be executed.
Okay.
That's why we call it the entry point of the program. Okay? I don't want you to get confused because both the class and the method called main, you can change the class name. Like you can give it any name you want, the class, but not the method. This method is unique. It should be called main. You cannot change its name. This method, you cannot change its name, but the class, you are free to change its name. So don't get confused, okay?
Okay.
Public static void, just ignore it. Like type it the same as it is, and we will discuss later on, okay?
Okay.
Okay, now we are inside the main method, and this code will be executed. So here, let's write the statement that will display hello world on the screen. So do you remember how we can do this?
Not really,
Yeah,
no.
we will type system with a capital letter. System, yes, system. Yeah, it's helping you, giving you suggestions. You don't have to type the whole name. You can just select and double click or hit enter. System, the first one, yes. Hit, yeah. Dot, yeah. Dot out, okay. Just select out. You don't have to type it on your own. That is the magic of IntelliJ. It's helping you writing the code. You don't have to write every word on your own. Again, dot. Yeah, println. Okay, hit enter. Yeah, good. We don't have to type it on our own. Two double quotes.
double quotes. What do I put in?
Here you can see the double quotations on your keyboard. Double quotes, double quotations. No, I will send it again to you in chat. And you have to find it in the keyboard.
Oh, yeah, quotations. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, good. You can type any sentence you want to display on the screen, like hello world, hello Java, whatever you want, you can type. Okay, good. All what you write this here in between these double quotes, it will get displayed on the screen. And this line number 4, it's called Java statement. It's a line of code that execute a single and simple task, which here in our case will display a sentence on the screen. Okay, and this statement should be end with a symbol called semicolon. Okay, all the statements in Java should be end with semicolon. If you forget to put this semicolon, it's an error, and our program will not get executed. Okay? So
Yeah.
please keep it in mind. Don't forget to put the semicolon after or at the end of each Java statement. Okay? Now, how we're gonna run our code? Let me tell you. Here on line number 3, next to the main method, you can see a green play icon, right? Yes, this one. It's aligned next to the main method because the main method is the entry point of the Java program. And all the code inside the main method will get executed. Anything apart of that will not get executed. That's why you can see this icon next to the main method. Now click on the green play. Click on the icon. Okay. Yes, run main.main. Yes, this one. It's telling you to execute what is inside this main method. Yeah, again, hello Java world.
Okay.
Congratulations. You wrote your first Java program.
Nice.
Let's again have some notes about this Java program. I will take the share. You can stop sharing.
Okay.
This is the program that we just did. And here we have some important notes. First one I already told you about. Every Java statement must end with a semicolon. Without this semicolon, our program will not run. Okay. This is very important, especially for beginners like you. Beginners always forget about the semicolon. So please don't forget it. We have a class and methods body should always begin with an opening curly bracket and should end with the closing curly bracket. These curly brackets indicates the beginning of a class or the beginning of a method, and also indicates the closing of a class or the method. Okay. If this one is missing, also it's an error in the Java program. Yeah, Java is case sensitive language. So you should be careful while writing the keywords in Java. If it should be written in lowercase, you should type it in lowercase. If it's in uppercase, you should type it in uppercase. For example, package basics.util. This line indicates the location of the current Java class. Okay, we will skip this note and we'll also skip this one. We'll discuss them later, so you will not get confused. Yeah, every Java program should contains a main method. Okay, you can have as many as methods as you want. Okay, and you can give them any other names like whatever. You can give a method called it cat, dog, whatever, but main method should be only one main method in the whole program. Okay. And
Yes.
every Java program should contain a main method.
A main
But
method.
methods in general, you can create as many as you can in a Java program. And their name, you can name it any names you want. But the main method is a special case. Okay. Yeah, naming in Java. There is a naming convention in Java program that you should follow. Package name should begin with lowercase. We still didn't talk about package. Do you know what is package?
No, I don't.
Package, you can consider it as a folder, okay, that is used to group some Java classes together. If we have multiple Java classes that are somehow related to a common point or a common task, okay, so we want to group them together. So we will put them inside a package. So this package considered as folders, okay, to group Java classes together. And we already know that Java class is one contains the whole code of our program. Like we cannot write a code outside a Java class. All our code should be inside a class, okay? And the packages are used only to group the classes together, okay?
Yes.
So packages should begin with lowercase letter. Okay. You cannot write. You cannot give a name to a package with a capital letter. It should be a small letter. On the other hand, and the totally opposite is a class. Class name should always begin with capital letter. Okay. The same as we did in hello and main. Classes always begin with uppercase. And in both of them, spaces are not allowed. Spaces are not allowed, but you can use instead the underscore. You know the underscore?
Yes.
Okay. So instead of using spaces, you can use the underscore. Okay.
Okay.
Variables and methods should begin with lowercase letter. Okay. Method, we have the main method, right? Public static void main. This main, it's lowercase, not uppercase, because it's a method. And about the variables, we will see next session when we talk about the variables. We will see how to create variables, and we will give it lowercase names. Uh, okay, we already mentioned that all names must not contain any spaces. Also, try to give a meaningful names while coding, because this will help you read and understand the Java code. Like, for example, if you are creating a method, don't give it like a name like X or Y. No, you give it a meaningful name like dog, like cat, like eat, like drink, something that you can understand, that will help you understand the code. Okay?
Yes.
Before we start the Java variables, let's go back to our code. Please share your screen. Okay, open the IntelliJ. Okay, you can see this SRC
Source, right? Source.
on the top left in our project box. Yeah, you can see the SRC, the folder that already contains our main class, right? You can see it. You can consider this as a package that contains classes. Now it has only one class, which is main class. Okay. Now, please, I will ask you to create a package inside this SRC. So please right click on SRC.
Where's the
SRC in project, yes, here in the project box. This, as I told you, SRC, you can consider it as a package because it contains our main class. Now I'm asking you to create, yes, this one. I'm asking you to create a new package, okay, inside SRC. So how we're gonna do it, we will right click on SRC. Yes. New. New. The first option. Okay, new Java class, blah, 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 file. Okay, package. We have package. Package. No, not package info. Package. Yes. What's going on? This is unexpected behavior. You should have a dialog where you can enter a package name for our newly created package, but this didn't happen. Please repeat again. New package. Yeah, good. It's asking you to give a name to our new package. Give it any name you want, but remember, package name should begin with a small letter. Give it any name. Okay, dog, whatever. Okay. Hit enter. Yeah, once you hit enter, here we can see a new folder or a new package appeared in our project box, okay, and called dog. Right? You can see it.
Yes.
So this is our new package called dog. Please create a new Java class inside this dog package. So we will right click on dog package. Yes, new Java class. Java class. Yes. Give it any name you want, but remember with a capital letter. Should begin with capital letter. Ambition. Okay, good. Great. Yeah, that is great. Now we have a new class called ambition. And this ambition is inside package called dog, right?
Yes.
That's why here on line number 1, you can see package dog. It's written package dog semicolon, right? On line number
Yes.
1. What does this means? It means this is the address where our class is located. This is the address where our class called ambition is located. Okay?
Yeah.
This is our address. Here, our class ambition is inside the package called dog. So on line number 1, we have the address package dog semicolon. Package dog includes our class ambition. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's create another class in dog also. And please make the name of the class United States of America. So here our class name contains many words and spaces are not allowed. What we're gonna do? We will make the beginning of each word with a capital letter. Like United, okay, already began with a capital letter because it's the beginning of our class name. But what about States of America? We have 3 other words. So the S that indicates the beginning of the word states should be in a capital letter. Yes, this one. That's how we indicate that this is a beginning of a new word. Okay? States of, so the O should be a capital letter. Okay, America, yeah, okay, you already did the A as a capital letter. Hit enter. Okay, good. Inside your class, again, you can see the package dog on line number 1. Because United States of America and ambition, both of them share the same location. Both of them are inside the dog package, okay? Here inside the class, please write the main method. Yes, inside the class. Yeah, go to new line. Yeah, okay. Type M, small m. Yeah. No. Only M. Yeah, and hit enter. Here is again the magic. You don't have to write all these words on your own. Public, static, void, main, blah, blah, blah. You don't have to write it on your own. Because this method is unique. Already IntelliJ IDEA knows that you should have this main method inside your program. So it's making it easier for you. You just type M or MA and it will give you the main option. Okay, give me one moment, please.
Yep.
Okay. What is the closing bracket for our main method?
Closing bracket.
The
Right here, the
closing
semicolon.
bracket for our main
Semicolon.
method. Where is it? It's a bracket on line number 6, right?
Yeah, bracket.
Yes. This is the closing bracket for our main method, and on line number 7 is the closing bracket of our class, United States of America, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Please navigate to line number 8. Type M again. Look, it's giving you error. You know why it's giving you error?
No closing bracket.
Because it's outside the class. We are here outside the class. We are outside United States of America. So we cannot write any code here in that scope. Do you remember? We
Yes.
agreed that all our Java code should be inside the Java class. Any single line of code that is written outside the Java class, immediately it will give you an error. Like try to type anything here on line number 8, 9, 10, whatever. It will give you an error, a red line and error, whatever you type. So this is also important for you to know. What else? Java comments. Let's talk about Java comments. What if I want to write comments?
Comments, okay.
Yeah, what if I want to write anything that will not get executed? I want to write some comments for myself and I don't want it to get executed. What I'm gonna do? Again, here on line number 8, we are outside the class and we are not allowed to write any code. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Please type double slash. Yes, one more. And type anything you want. Yeah, whatever. Man, okay. Is it giving you an error?
No.
It's not giving you an error anymore. You know why?
Because
you put the double slash. Once you put the double slash, okay, it means this is a comment. It will never get executed. It's not even a part of our program. It's just a comment for yourself as a programmer to read. Maybe it will help you understand what is this program for. Whatever comment you see that it's important for you to to write. It will remind you with the purpose of the code. It will remind you of something important in the code. You can write it with this double slash. So it's telling the IntelliJ we are writing a comment. This comment will not get executed. So it will never affect our Java program because it's not even a part of our Java program. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. You remember at the beginning, we browse the external libraries. And inside external libraries, we found the Java JDK files, right?
Yes.
Okay, and I told you that these JDK files is a pre-written Java code by Java team that we, as a programmer, supposed to use it to write our Java programs, right? Hello,
Hello.
you heard me, right?
Yes, I hear you good.
Okay, let's examine that. Go back to our main class. Yes, double click on main class. Okay, here we are in line number 4. Okay, we are using something called system.out.println, okay, to print hello Java world on the screen. Where did we get system.out.println? Where did we get system? Where did we get out? Where did we get print? Like we didn't create something called system, right? We didn't create something called print, but we're still able to use it.
Right.
Put your arrow on system. Put your arrow on the system, yes. On the keyboard, click control.
Mm.
Click control, okay, on the keyboard, and then click on system. With the arrow, click on system while holding or, yeah. No. Escape. Control on the keyboard and click on the system. While, yeah. No. Just click control. Keep pressing on control. Yes. Keep pressing on control and click on system. Yeah. We are here inside the system class. This system class is a native class, native Java class written by the Java team. And here, as you can see, it contains a lot of comments, a lot of methods, Java methods. Okay. Here you can write, you can read the comments like system class contains several useful class fields and methods, whatever. All these comments are written also by Java team to help you as a programmer to use the system class sufficiently. If you navigate inside this system class, you will find the print method that we use to display the sentence on the screen. All this code, we are not the one who created it, but the Java team did. And we are just using it without downloading the JDK that we already downloaded last time. We don't have the system, we don't have any code in Java. So we would not be able to write Hello World program. You get it?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
Okay, great. So now at the end of our session, please, if you want to ask questions, the mic is yours.
How do I end the comment?
You can type the question
Okay.
in the chat because I cannot hear you well.
Okay.
I don't know what's wrong, but your voice is very low. It's very low. How to end a comment? You don't have to end a comment, or there is two types of comments. Okay, please share your screen again. Share your screen again. Okay, go to our code. IntelliJ. Open IntelliJ.
I'm trying to find it. There it is.
Okay, go to main class, or any class, ambition, whatever. Okay, there is two types of comments. If it's a single line comment, we will use a double slash, the same as I showed you. Okay. What if we have multi-line comment? What we're gonna do? We will simply
Star.
make a slash star. This is the opening of the comment. Please type slash star. Here, yes, here, slash star. Hit enter. Yeah. Here we have the starting of the comment slash star, and we have the closing of the comment, which is star slash. All in between, it's a comment. You can have as many lines as you want. Okay, all this will be considered as comments, and it will not affect the program.
Okay.
You can execute, like, just try it, please. Type whatever dummy characters you want. Okay, on multi-line, and let's try executing our program. Run the first option. What did you do? Yeah. Hello, Java world. Okay. So our program is still working as expected. Good. What else questions you have?
I think that's it. SRC. Hold on. I'll go back. SRC.
Don't stop sharing, like, wait. Yes, SRC